या पत्रकार परिषदेत आमच्या बरोबर आसात AICCच्यो स्पोक्स पर्सन डॉक्टर शमा मोहम्मद, आमच्या बरोबर आसात गोय प्रदेश काँग्रेस समितीचे अध्यक्ष भौमानेस गिरीशबाब चोडणकर, त्याचबरोबर आमच्या बरोबर आसात लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन आदरणीय दिगंबर बाब कामत आणि आमच्या बरोबर आसात काँग्रेस पार्टीचे वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट अलेक्सियो सेक्वेरा. हांव मागता ह्याच्या महत्वपूर्ण प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स सुरवात डॉक्टर मोहम्मद हांच्यांनी करची.
Thank you, Mr. Amarnath. The PCC President, Mr. Girish Chodankar, Leader of Opposition, Mr. Digambar Kamath, Working President, Mr. Sequeira, and our Chief in charge of spokesperson, Mr. Amarnath. First and foremost, I want to ask you all, are you all okay? All well? COVID? Safe? Okay. So, I'm going to start the press conference. Now, the Director of Revenue Intelligence caught drugs heroin worth 21,000 crores, 3,000 kgs of heroin was caught. At which port? Mundra port in Gujarat. Imagine, you all have heard of 100 or 10 kgs, 20 kgs. 3,000 kgs were caught at the Mundra port owned by Gautam Adani on the 21st of September. Did you hear any discussion on this? Have you seen anything much on televisions? Like, this is huge. Imagine the amount. And it's worth 21,000 crores. But this is not the thing. And where is it coming from? It says the heroin was found in 2 containers that landed at the Mundra port from Afghanistan via Iran, exported by a company in Afghanistan called Hassan Hussain Limited, and imported in the name of Ashi Trading Company of Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. And how has it come? Has it come as heroin? It has come as semi-cut talcum powder. That was what was written on it. And that is coming into our country. Now just imagine, if 3,000 kgs have come in, do you think it is the first time it's coming in? Because normally any port, when they're smuggling drugs, it would be 100, first they start with 10 kgs. You all know what drugs are. Goa has had issues with drugs and all those things. But 3,000 means there has to be political patronage. Somebody in some political party has to know about it. Now this is not the first time. In June, just imagine how many kgs of cocaine was caught. 25,000 kgs. Not 3,000 now, 25,000 kgs worth 1,70,000 crore was smuggled. That was not caught, that's come into our country. And let's understand that it is coming from Afghanistan, these drugs. Now, and who's caught the thing? It is the Director of Revenue Intelligence, but I don't hear, where is CBI? Where is the Customs Department? Where is the Narcotics Control Bureau of India, NCB? You must have heard NCB last year a lot, all you journalists. Why? In the Sushant Singh Rajput case, where they got some 59 grams of marijuana, and there was a huge hue and cry all over. You could see NCB catching some actors, putting some assistant of Sushant Singh Rajput in jail. But that was for what? Marijuana and 57 grams. I'm asking, why is the NCB not active now? Because what is the function of the NCB is to catch the main drug which comes into our country. Once it gets in, it can go anywhere. Those are the small people. But we need to catch the main guys, how it gets into the country. The other question we ask, why isn't this Mundra port not being investigated? Why is Mr. Modi and Mr. Amit Shah quiet on this? We haven't heard a word from the Prime Minister. This is a lot of money. One important thing we have to understand also, this Narcotic Control Bureau of India has not had a head for the last 18 months. So why doesn't it have a head? And let's all understand now another thing. Who is in charge of Afghanistan? It's a terrorist organization called Taliban. So Taliban is earning out of this. And this can cause a very important thing. They can fund terrorist organizations in India. They can fund separatist movements in India. It can cause political instability in India because this is huge amount of money. And also, these drugs come into states like Goa. You know, Goa is a very open atmosphere. You get whatever you want. It can criminalize the youth. Our youth's lives are going to get destroyed. You can get a lot of criminal elements. We have heard so many stories in the last couple of months. So why isn't the government of India not taking strong steps? Why isn't there a head for the Narcotics Bureau of India? Why is it quiet? I don't see anything. And also reporting in the media. Have you heard anything of this? Any of this information? Maybe you must have heard one or two stories. So a serious point of concern has been, like I mentioned, these drugs are coming from Afghanistan. And also, recently, Gujarat has been the main hub. And we know that there is a home state of the Home Minister as well as the Prime Minister of India. So instead of taking this opportunity to launch a national offensive against the drug cartel, the government of India has maintained pin-drop silence. The Congress party demands that the drug nexus operating from Adani's Mundra port be investigated by a commission comprising of 2 sitting Supreme Court judges. Until the drug cartel is behind bars, there is a huge threat to India in its internal security, in terms of getting our youth addicted to this drug, in terms of criminalization of many of our youth. So we need this thing sorted. We need answers and we need an investigation into how this amount of drugs has got into this country. Never in the history of India has this amount of drug. And also, this also said another important point is that privatization of ports. We know that recently they want to privatize our national ports. Now, this is a private port. And this is what's going to happen. They can do whatever they want when the port is private. So we demand that there should be a Supreme Court monitored probe in this. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please ask.
So there are more security lapses at private airports.
Sorry?
There are more security lapses at private airports.
That is what we are seeing now. No, it is not about why hasn't the first consignment been not caught. It was smuggled. We have caught this, but it's the Director of Revenue Intelligence. It's not their job. What is the function of the Narcotics Bureau? They are supposed to get it, isn't it? But you saw them last year. They were on an overdrive with the Sushant Singh case, where it was marijuana, and we all know what heroin does. It's an addictive drug. We can't have this in India. It's going to destroy. The money is also going to, more important is, here is a party called Bharatiya Janata Party who speaks about nationalism and everything. Where is this money going? To Taliban. What is going to happen? Separatist organizations in our country, bringing political instability in this country. So why are not strong steps taken? Why has the Bharatiya Janata Party not even done a press conference on this? Why don't we see no investigation on this Mundra port? That is what we want to know. Why shouldn't there be a proper investigation into this? This is a serious case, and you know that a state like here, the Bharatiya Janata Party is promoting it. They are promoting, this is what we understand, that they are promoting the spread of drug culture in India and getting money out of it. Unless they speak against this, that is what one understands, that the present government here also wants it in Goa. And Goa is a state where it can be misused. You know that very well. All of you all are from Goa, and nobody wants this sort of thing in Goa. Criminal elements increase, drug cartels increase, because it is easy money. And we know many other countries around the world like Mexico suffer because of this, South America. We don't have this drug issue in India. And also now the hub has become Gujarat.
What yesterday morning on the Mumbai, what the NCB has raided on the Bollywood films something.
Yeah, so what you see that is Bollywood sons are being raided or whatever, but that again, where does this drug come from? NCB should work on what happened in Mundra port, isn't it? Why has NCB not having a head for the last 18 months? Who is in charge of NCB? So NCB comes out all of a sudden and there's this drama, oh, we caught this in a ship here, some Bollywood. They are deflecting attention from the real issue. The real issue is the Mudra port. The real issue is the 3,000 kgs of drugs caught there. The real issue was the 25,000 kgs of drugs caught, which was smuggled in June. That is the real issue. But they don't focus on that. They catch some people here, then the media will show all that, divert your attention. But I want you all to write about the Mudra Fort. Why is it not being investigated? What is happening there? Why has it been ignored? Because if the drugs did not come through there, they wouldn't have had the party there with the drugs. That is the question, isn't it? We need to stop the drugs from entering into this country. And we need to stop, especially when drugs are coming from Afghanistan, where there is, for me, it is a terrorist organization which is in charge of Afghanistan. We cannot support it, and they would use the money to fund separatist organizations. We know that the Afghanistan Taliban is very close to Pakistan, the deep state of the Pakistan, the ISI. Basically, the Taliban is funded by the ISI. So definitely they will cause problems for us in Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab and various other areas. And that will cause instability in our country. It is a very, very serious national security issue.
कैसे देख रहे हैं कि गोवा भी एज ए कोस्टल स्टेट है, गोवा में भी एनसीबी वाले थोड़े भी गोवा पुलिस और एनसीबी वाले रेड भी किया था। इस टूरिस्ट स्टेट में कैसे सेफ रहे, कैसे देख रहे हैं आप?
नहीं, टूरिस्ट स्टेट में यही मैं बोल रही हूँ कि आपको थोड़ा बहुत एक जो छोटे मोटे रेड करने से क्या होगा, जो बड़े माल आते हैं वहां से जो मुद्रा पोर्ट में अब आए हैं उसके ऊपर आप जांच कीजिए, कार्रवाई कीजिए, है ना। जो वहां से क्योंकि ये एक प्राइवेट पोर्ट है तो आसानी से शायद वो ले सकते हैं वहां से, समझ रहे आप? हाँ, तो उनका जो पोर्ट है, इसीलिए हम कुछ नहीं कह रहे, हम बोल रहे हैं कि एक दो सुप्रीम कोर्ट सिटिंग जजेस है, उसको हम कह रहे हैं कि जांच कीजिए। सब पता, आपके दूध का दूध पानी का पानी होगा, है ना, सब पता चलेगा हमको क्या चल रही है। तो इसीलिए हमको जांच चाहिए। और कि क्यों अभी तक, एक और सवाल पूछा कि 18 महीने से एनसीबी को कोई हेड ही नहीं है, और आप एनसीबी कुछ ड्रामा वामा करते हो, यहाँ जाते हो, पिछले साल पूरा ड्रामा था और सब मीडिया में भी वही है। मैं पूछ रही हूँ, इसके ऊपर आज तक मैंने एक चर्चा भी नहीं किया टीवी पे। ये मुद्रा पोर्ट के में 3,000 केजीज, अब सोचिए, आप लोगों को सब पता है ड्रग्स क्या है। 10 ग्राम्स हमने सुना है, 10 ग्राम्स होता है, 20 ग्राम्स, केजी भी बहुत होते हैं। 3,000 केजी, 25,000 केजी।
क्या आपको क्या लगता है कि इसमें ये बैकग्राउंड में कोई पॉलिटिशियन अदरवाइज ऑफिसर्स कुछ है, ऐसा लग रहा है?
कोई बिना पॉलिटिकल पेट्रोनेज से कैसे हो सकता है, आप बता दीजिए। इतने बड़े माल आ रहा है, इतना केजीज आ रहा है इस देश पे, हाँ। और आप सोचिए, पहले तो उन्होंने कोशिश किया होगा 100 केजी से, 200 केजी से। जब इतना माल आ रहा है, पुलिस को पता होगा, या वहां के जो बीजेपी का ही है राज वहां गुजरात में, इसीलिए तो जरूर बिना पॉलिटिकल प्रेटनेज से इतना बड़ा माल नहीं आ सकता। और इसीलिए हमको जांच चाहिए, क्योंकि ये राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा के मामला है। हमारे बच्चे हैं, उनके ऊपर वो जो ड्रग एडिक्ट्स हो जाते हैं उसका मामला है। और जो पैसा मैंने कहा है वो जा रहा है तालिबान को। तो ये बहुत बहुत अहम मुद्दा है और आप लोगों को इसके बारे में लिखना चाहिए, क्योंकि आपके जो ये स्टेट है वो बीजेपी के हाथ में है अभी। और इस स्टेट में आपको पता है कि बहुत सारे ड्रग्स भी आ जाते हैं, है ना। और जब ड्रग्स ज्यादा होता है तो क्रिमिनल एलिमेंट्स भी हो जाता है, ड्रग कार्टेल शुरू हो जाता है, वो नहीं चाहिए। तो हमको पहले ही इसकी जांच करना है और खत्म करना है, क्या है, कहाँ से आ रहा है। प्रधानमंत्री को इस मुद्दे के ऊपर बात करनी है और हमको बताना है कि क्या हो रहा है।
So ma'am, why this post of NCP head has been kept?
That is a question you need to ask the present government. It is not the opposition who fills up the post. Why? That is very suspicious also, no? Why is the post not being filled?
And do you see the recently increase in phenomenal seizure of these drugs?
I haven't seen any. This is just one we heard recently. And that too not by the Narcotics Bureau. That is the thing. No, Directorate of Revenue Intelligence. That's not their job basically. So, what is the Narcotics Bureau of India doing? Catching up small fishes here and there in Bombay. Who's taking what do you call marijuana? Is marijuana the drug? You have to heroin, cocaine. These are the ones, and they have a lot of money. And what is this Ashi trading? See, also it says Hassan Hussain. It's imported in the name of Ashi Trading Company of Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Why not an investigation? What is this? Whose front is the Ashi Trading? That is what you all have to find out. It's a very, very serious issue.
आपने बताया कि गोवा गवर्नमेंट ड्रग्स कल्चर जो है उसको प्रमोट कर रहे थे। आपको क्या लगता है कि गोवा गवर्नमेंट जो है वो ड्रग्स कल्चर इधर प्रमोट कर रहा है?
मैंने नहीं कहा कि वो प्रमोट कर रहा है, मैंने कहा कि वहां आ गया है और यहाँ हो सकता है कि ड्रग्स, आपको पता है जब इतने सारे अमाउंट ऑफ ड्रग्स आ चुके हमारे देश के अंदर तो यहाँ भी आ सकता है, क्योंकि भाजपा अभी तक एक शब्द नहीं बोला इसके खिलाफ। आपने कुछ सुना है? आप लोग सब पत्रकार हैं, आपने कुछ सुना है इसके खिलाफ कि 3000 केजी आ गया है, हमने पकड़ा है? कुछ सुना है? नहीं सुना है। क्यों? क्योंकि शायद यहां आ रहा है, शायद क्योंकि वो मुद्रा पोर्ट है, शायद अडानी की पोर्ट है। क्या है ये? इसीलिए हम बोल रहे जांच चाहिए ना इस इतने अहम मुद्दे के ऊपर।
तो गोवा में जो ड्रग्स आ रहा है वो मुद्रा पोर्ट या उस सोर्स से आ रहा है?
आ सकता है, मैं नहीं बोल सकती ना, मैं बोल रही हूँ वो पूरे देश में जा सकता है। 3000 समय से हो रहा है ये, कोई पहली बार तो 3000 या 25,000 केजी तो नहीं आएंगे ना, आपको पता है। डर होता है लोगों को, तो उसका मतलब पहले तो हो रहा है बहुत समय से, और कहां कहां जा रहे हैं। ये है एनसीबी का जो काम, कि पता करना है कि कहां से ड्रग किस पोर्ट में है, यहां से कौन है ये ड्रग कार्टेल चला रहा है। हम उसके बारे में कुछ सुनता ही नहीं। अभी कुछ सुना है आपने? किसी ने पकड़ गया, किसी को पकड़ा इसने, इसके बारे में आपको लोग कुछ सुना है कि इस आदमी को पकड़ा है, इस नाम से कौन है आशी ट्रेडिंग कंपनी? कुछ सुना है आप? ये अहम मुद्दा है, और अभी चुनाव भी आ रही है अगला साल।
To add to this, Madam has spoken. You just recall 2 years back, the DRI has seized 100 kilos of ketamine drugs from the BJP office bearers industrial unit in Sattari. And the protection is given by the BJP government, and that's why we have been calling that it is a family business of BJP to have these drugs in Goa, because many of their office bearers are involved in this, and there is a protection to them by BJP government. If DRI can come to Goa and get 100 kilos of ketamine from BJP office bearers industrial unit in Sattari, and nobody knows what has happened till date about that. The former mayor of Panjim municipality can get the drugs just under the nose of police headquarters, and police is not even aware of it. What does that mean? It's going on completely under the shelter and protection and the promotion by the BJP government.
And there is no way, if you're getting 3000 kg, there is no protection. Let me tell you that. 21,000 kg is coming. Just think about it. There is political patronage. We want to know who's protecting them. Why are they being protected? And both of them, the court is in the port is in Gujarat. The government over there is BJP. The central government is BJP. All these agencies come under the BJP, CBI, the Narcotics Bureau, all these one, Director of Revenue Intelligence, all are coming under the central government. What is the Home Minister doing? I don't understand what he's doing. Why is he I must tell you, is one of the worst Home Ministers India's ever had, Mr. Amit Shah. There have been so many issues under him, but he's quiet, he's mourned. And also, where does this money go to? That is the other thing we have to know. What is the purpose? If he's saying, Girish just said that there have been caught, where is this money going? What is BJP using this money for?
सर आज इसका एनसीबी वाले ने रेड किया था, ये मुंबई टू गोवा का बोट क्रूज था। ये क्रूज में ऐसा स्मगलिंग हो रहता है, नहीं तो कुछ मिल रहा है, इसलिए क्या कांग्रेस का क्या डिमांड है कि बोट क्रूज का बहुत
Today this issue is completely handled by madam, this issue. So today I don't want to give anything from our side, except that I added what she has said, that it had happened in Goa, that the DRI had raided and seized 100 kilos of ketamine from the office bearer of BJP.
So that,
This is the point. That it is completely patronized by BJP, and that's why we have called it that it is a family business. Drugs in Goa is the family business of BJP.
नहीं सर, ये बोट क्रूज में ऐसा मिला है, मुंबई टू गोवा बोट क्रूज में मिला है आज का, उसकी क्या आपका क्या डिमांड है इसके लिए? क्या बोट
that's the investigation. See, they both those I said. I give you the answer. उसका जो मैंने कहा था कि ड्रामा होता है कि ठीक है मिला उनको, वो जान चल रही है, लेकिन जो बड़ा माल आ गया है उसके ऊपर एनसीबी कहाँ है? उसके वहां तो एनसीबी नहीं था ना, डायरेक्टर रेवेन्यू इंटेलिजेंस थे। तो मैं पूछ रही हूँ वहां एनसीबी क्यों नहीं है? एनसीबी को तो कल बस मैरिजुआना चाहिए, ऐसे कुछ चाहिए, वहां से पकड़ा, ठीक है अच्छी बात है, लेकिन मैं पूछ रही हूँ जो माल अंदर आ रहा है वो क्यों नहीं पकड़ रहे एनसीबी? सो रहा है एनसीबी? ये तो पुलिस भी पकड़ सकता है ना, ये जो होता है जो क्रूज शिप में। एनसीबी का काम है कौन है ड्रग कैटल हिंदुस्तान में, कहां से माल बाहर आ रहा है, कहां से कहां जा रहा है ये पैसा, किसके हाथ में पैसा है, कौन दे रहे पॉलिटिकल पेट्रोनेज, वो है एनसीबी का काम। वो क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? क्योंकि उसको बोला है चुप हो जाने के लिए, इसीलिए।
Thank you. See you at 1 o'clock.